Hello and welcome for another session. In this session we will take a look at a very wonderful tool which I have wanted for a very long time. This is from Horotec tool, but yeah, the package comes from Cousins. I got all the tools you need for watch repair. So here we have it. Horotec Minipress MSA07-320. This is great, look at that. So this is a really quality tool, hopefully. So here we have the case and everything. Look at this. Wow. Oh my God. I feel heavy. For the price, they should feel heavy. I think that's it. That's what came in the box. So let's begin with this one. Let's see, let's place it on here. You can have okay, so you have a little screw here, and insert this one here. And then now screw that one. Oh, that's stuck right away. Okay, look here, probably somewhere here. So here we have the different dies you can see, depending on which you will open and close. And I have them as well. Here you can see them. So let's choose this one. For example, I have a Tissot watch which has been nearly impossible to open. This one with I'm not sure if it is all patina or if it's actually some damage to the dial, but you can see this is an old Tissot says there, and I tried to open this like last year and I have kept it because I couldn't open it. So that has been one of the main reasons why I wanted to buy one of these Horotec tools, at least something a little bit more better than the one I had, because I couldn't open this one, impossible, and it's has something to do with the time when they tend to stuck after many years, so it can be quite hard to open them. So I hope this will be some help. So we will use those for that. So we will choose one of those. Deer. And this is very nice because this is how you actually move them. By screwing this, and you can see they're getting a little bit closer to each other. I think we can have it like that now. It's a great add here. Choice one of those. Just testing and now see if it works good or not. Can just remove it like this. So this feels very good to have it like that. So let's see then. I need to adjust this a little bit more. Not much though. See. I need to adjust them maybe. Yes, look at that. The first try, he did it. Amazing. Okay, now I think I try one a little bit more though. And this was impossible to open with a classical one. Can still feel that one. Nice. On the first try. Wow, that was amazingly nice to use it. If I can recommend this, of course. This was great. It was very easy to set it up and to place everything. And it feels very very good also. I can't really buy this because I promise you this was impossible to open. So if you can add something to your workshop with quality, of course I couldn't recommend this. I can absolutely recommend this, it's great. Well, do you have something like this? Can you please comment how long you had one? It would be interesting to see how many years they hold. If this is like once in a lifetime investment, it would be nice. Do you have something like this, or do you have another version? Because there are other versions too, which is much cheaper than this one. Please comment and give some feedback on your workshop and what kind of tools you have, and what if you have another version of this, you're free to add some comment also of that, because that would be very interesting to see what you are using in your workshop. So let's take a look a little bit. So we have the whole one of this, almost 1.5 kilos. Almost 1.5 kilos. Nice. And some parts are still here though, but yeah, that's nice. Let's take a look a little bit here in centimeters and inches there. You can see 10.5. It's interesting for you guys who want to know its sizes, I think. It's like 20, almost 20 centimeters long with that one. Very nice indeed. Well, I think that's it. Now I can continue to open watches. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care.